Dear Cheri, what is the most effective way to use topical cannabis? I've been getting some great results with some cannabis salves, but they're very expensive, so I want to make sure that I'm using them in such a way that I'm getting the most out of them that I possibly can. Thank you. Well, that's a great question, and thank you for asking it. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, and please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos, because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Oh, and one more thing, if you like my $4.19 Got a Minute shirt, I'll put a link below to the shop on Cannabis Cheri where you'll find this shirt and lots of other fun cannabis designs. But this one will definitely start some conversations and help you find your tribe. Okay, let's get back to the question of the most effective ways to use cannabis topicals. That's going to be a little bit dependent on why you're using it and how you're using it. So somebody that is using that salve for a temporary headache is going to use the topical differently than somebody with chronic arthritis that is using it all the time. So that's one of the first things. It depends on how you're using it. But some tips on how to get the most of your topicals. Two things. If you have a lot of pain, sometimes it helps to layer the topicals. So in other words, you could take a cannabis-infused bath and then put on that pain-relieving salve and layer the topicals, and a lot of people find that quite effective. The hot bath or the hot shower is not a bad tip in general when using any kind of topical, whether it's infused with cannabis or not, because that hot water will open your pores up and you absorb more of that topical. So that's kind of important with cannabis, if you can absorb more of that into your skin and have the cannabinoids bind with the cannabinoid receptors in your skin. One more note, though, about the expense of topicals. Yes, commercial topicals can certainly be expensive. That's why I created my DIY online topicals course, to show people and consumers how they can make their own topicals and take control of their medicine into their own hands. It's far more affordable to make your own topicals, and the course goes into pain-relieving salves, bath bombs, bath soaks, lip balms, wrinkle serums, all kind of topicals, over 60 different topicals formulas. And I'll put a link below and a coupon code below if you're interested in that course. But it is far more affordable. And in fact, one of my students, who is an elderly gentleman that couldn't afford his commercial salve anymore, was the inspiration for that course and why I created it. And now he makes his own, and it works just as well. It's also lots of fun to create your own topicals. So check out the course below. Hope this helps. See you all next time.